Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technologue. Finally, I got my hands on the Redmi Note 5 Pro and it looks absolutely stunning. I got the black variant here, which is the 4 and 64 variant, which comes in for a price of Rs 14,000. Today, let's unbox this phone and see what all do we get inside the box. It is good to see that Xiaomi is including a case nowadays because it is very difficult to find cases for new phones. That's why including a case in the box is a very big thumbs up from my side. Other than that, you get your normal stuff, that is the charger, the charging cable and nothing else. That's all you get. You get a case, you get a charger and a charging cable, and of course the handset itself. You do not get earphones in the box, but that is okay because Xiaomi is offering a lot at the given price point. Now, let me go ahead and quickly set up this device as it is the first boot. It might take some while. Here we go. The device is set up and ready to use. Now let's go ahead into settings and see the Android version. As you can see, it comes with Android Nougat and not Oreo, which is kind of a letdown for me because I was expecting Xiaomi to launch this phone with Oreo, but that is not the case. Hopefully we will get the Oreo update soon, but for now it runs on MIUI 9 on top of Android Nougat. Now as you can see, this black color looks absolutely stunning. It is the best of the four colors. So you have blue, gold, rose gold and black is the best color out of these four colors. That's why I went ahead with this phone in black color. Now let me give you a quick overview of the specs. So the Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with a Snapdragon 636 processor and it has two options, one with 4GB RAM and the other one with 6GB RAM. Both of them come with 64GB internal storage. Talking about the cameras, it comes with a dual camera setup at the back. One is a 12 megapixel sensor and the other one is a 5 megapixel depth sensing sensor. The front camera is a 20 megapixel shooter. It also comes with an LED flash. Both the front as well as the rear camera have that portrait mode, and I will have to test it out more before I can give my final verdict. But as far as I have seen reviews of this phone, the camera seems to perform really good. So overall, the Redmi Note 5 Pro seems to be an interesting device for the price of Rs 14,000. I will begin my testing from today and I will be posting regular videos on the Redmi Note 5 Pro. That's why stay tuned to the channel, hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss those videos when they come up. So anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick unboxing of the black color of the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for awesome videos. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.